Ever faced the Steam phone error invalid number issue? This is an error where Steam states you don't have a phone number associated with your account. You enter your number, but you're met with an error message, even if you've entered the correct number in the correct format. Quite frustrating, isn't it? Now, why does this happen? Well, several reasons could be causing this issue. Some users have reported experiencing this error after a recent client update. It's possible that this update introduced some bugs, resulting in the error. On the other hand, it could simply be a mistake made while entering the phone number. Lastly, it could be due to temporary glitches in your system. So how do you fix this? First, double-check the format of the phone number. A minor error in formatting could be the culprit. If the format is correct and the error persists, quit Steam and shut down your device and router. Wait a good 5 minutes before restarting your device, router, and relaunching Steam. Still facing the error? Check for any new updates for Steam. If there are, update it, restart your PC, and see if the error continues. If it does, try logging into the Steam website from your browser, go to the account settings, and try entering your phone number there. If all else fails, it's possible the Steam system could be down. You can verify this by visiting steamstat.us to check the Steam server status. If Steam is down, it's best to wait a few hours and try again. In conclusion, the Steam phone error invalid number issue can be caused by a recent client update, mistakes in entering the phone number, or temporary system glitches. The solutions range from checking the phone number format, restarting your device and router, updating Steam, entering the phone number from the Steam website, or waiting for the Steam server to be back up if it's down. Remember, patience is key when dealing with technical issues. If you like this information, don't forget to subscribe, and for more tech updates visit queries.com.